The method I'm going to show on this particular problem here, number 2, is what has been called the rewrite method. This is really handy for kinesthetic kids or visual kids, maybe not so much the numbers like we did with the chart. So we have aluminum. We're going to react it with chlorine gas. Again, the Cl2, because chlorine is a diatomic element. And it makes AlCl3. Remember, aluminum is a +3 ion. Chloride in a compound is a -1 ion. Therefore, it takes 3 chloride to balance out 1 aluminum ion. So don't be confused or worried that those coefficients don't match. They're not going to. Now, for rewrite, you kind of look, and I always tell kids to start with the subscripts. I realize that those subscripts don't match. You can't have just an extra atom of chlorine sticking around, because that doesn't make an actual compound. AlCl4 isn't anything. So I kind of, so in my head I go, so what do 3 and 2 both go into? Well, that's 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. So if I rewrite this, so 2 plus 2 plus 2, that would give me 6 atoms of chlorine. And if I rewrite this just one time, because 3 plus 3 is 6. But now I see that I've written aluminum twice, once the first time and then once here to get the chlorine to balance. But on this side I only see Al one time, which means I need to rewrite that again. And so now you check. I have Al written twice. I have Al written twice. If I add up my 2's, that would give me 6 chlorine. If I add up my 3's, that gives me 6 chlorine. So then it would be balanced, and this is how it looks when you're actually finished. The total number of aluminum that I see is 2, so I put a 2 there. The total number of Cl2's that I have are 3, so I write a 3. The total number of AlCl3 that I have written is 2, so I put a 2 there. And that's the rewrite method. It does take a bit more space. Sometimes kids need to use scratch paper or whiteboard or whatever, but as long as you understand how to get it and it works for you, it doesn't matter what process you use. If it takes you more paper, it takes you more paper. We have plenty of scratch paper. All right, so that's the rewrite method.